Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hackio YouTube channel. So, what is WhiteBIT app? In this quick video, I will try to show you how to use this app. It's one of the top apps for crypto trading, and why should you use that? Because first, it has some advanced analytical features, similar maybe like to Coinbase Pro. Second, you can buy some tokens like SafeMoon and some others which you can't buy on other apps, or maybe on some other apps, but very limited number. So yeah, for example, SafeMoon you can't buy on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, but you can do that on WhiteBIT. So that's why you should give a try to this app, and yeah, definitely check it out if you want to be more advanced in your crypto trading, if you want to buy some not so popular tokens and crypto assets, and yet just have more diversified portfolio. So let's dive into the quick overview. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about crypto and other popular apps. So here is WhiteBIT app. It's called WhiteBIT Crypto Trading, and it's actually in the top charts in finance category in US App Store. And yeah, it's considered among like top 10 crypto apps, I would say, crypto exchange apps. And yeah, quick and easy exchange, pro chart. So basically the chart here is similar what you can have, for example, in Coinbase Pro. So as you know, maybe like Coinbase is the top app to buy crypto in the App Store, but Coinbase Pro is more like sophisticated. It has more advanced analytics and charts. So the same with this app. It has more advanced features, and maybe if you're a beginner, maybe you shouldn't start with with WhiteBIT. But anyways, just in this video we will go through a quick overview how it looks like, how to do like deposits and withdrawals, how to see history of orders and all of that. So as you can see, pretty high ratings. App was around from 2018 or something, and then yeah, you can just create an account easily. You don't need for a start to verify anything, just your email and password. Then you can just enable Touch ID and stuff, and then you're in. And then yeah, you can see all these crypto pairs, like what you can buy here. And for example, you can buy Dogecoin, so you can't buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. So there are more like niche crypto assets here, but still I guess there are apps where you have more cryptos and tokens. However, I don't know, like maybe on Bitmart you have some more assets, but here the selection is also pretty impressive. For example, on Coinbase you just only have like 51, 52 crypto coins. Here you have, seems like much more. So this is like, in my opinion, this is just the point of using like WhiteBIT and similar apps, because you just have much more crypto assets and more advanced crypto features, crypto trading features. So then you can see fiat stables, and yeah, and then if you want to trade, you can just, for example, go here, select how much you want to buy, like, and then just buy Bitcoin. So yeah, but of course you need to deposit like assets to your fund. So here you will see all your order history in the top right. You can see the charts, and then here is your account. I guess you need to go through verification. So you can just create account super fast and easy and access all the tools I just shown. But in order to complete the trade and to actually buy Bitcoin or some crypto asset, you need to go through this process, like information, ID info, selfie, and then review. And only after that you will be able to trade. So then you can do like anti-money laundering check. You can check whether the address has been involved in money laundering operations. So these are the information here. So that's pretty cool feature. I didn't find it in many other crypto apps. Then you can just do like whitelist, then with just stickers you can enable dark mode like this, and then you can connect support, and basically also you can change this app to be like a wallet app, and then you can see all the wallets here. So you can use this app both as a crypto exchange or crypto wallet. So there you have it, and then you have also your market. And then you have different pairs. You can sort by name, by volume, by price, by change. So as you can see here, all of that. And that's basically it. So kind of easy to use app. And then to do like withdrawals, to do deposits into this app, you need to verify your account. So you need to go through verification and proceed with the details here, and only after you'll be able to trade and do transactions. So I would really recommend you to do it beforehand, because for example some crypto assets can be super volatile, and in the same time account verification can take like from few minutes to few hours or maybe few days, and you can just miss the opportunity. So you better have your account verification ready for trade. So because if you do it in the last minute, again you can just miss the moment, and it can take you days, maybe even there is some queue or app overload and stuff like that. So in these crypto apps, just verify your account right away to avoid the issues in future. Just my personal advice. Other than that, here is some support. Maybe you want to delete your account. Let's see how that works. Okay, anyways, I don't want that. But also here in security, you can enable authenticator. You can enable automatic logout time, PIN code, change password, and all of that. So hope this quick overview was helpful. WhiteBIT app, a super quick overview. I think it's a nice app. Definitely check it out. Everyone has his preference in terms of crypto apps. I think you should definitely select like one app where it's like your wallet, another app where just like doing exchange, maybe another app just for analytics and just looking at all the charts and all of that. So, but don't forget about like security issues and keeping all the apps safe and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, like this video, and see you in the next.